Hey, what's up? Hope you're going well. So here. I think it's good. I think the mic is good. Okay. Wow. So I don't know if the mic will be okay, if you can hear me good because I'm out of town. So I just have my laptop. So wow, that's nice. So I took a trade yesterday on US30 just to make a breakdown on it. So if you look at US30, we are currently in that bullish channel, right? So I was looking to look for a short at the top of the channel, and also we were at like 49.5, 49.600. So yesterday, just before stock market open, I was looking for potentially break retest and then pump or a grab of liquidity of this high and then reverse, right? So once I saw that here, look at the M5, look at the structure you see here. So what we have liquidity here, liquidity here. So like I said, maybe the price wants to break above a nice closure above the area and then look for that retest and then continue to the upside, right? Or on the other case, it would be a grab of liquidity, drop, and then retest, whoop, to the downside. So that was like the two scenario I was looking for on the US30, but knowing that we are at the top of the bullish channel that might react if sellers position themselves, right? So if you look at the opening, boom, saw that? Nice grab of liquidity. We reached also 49.6 and then started to reject. So I was like, okay, look at the structure. Grab of liquidity, nice closure, drop. I was looking for that retest. And if you look at the DM5, you can see here, right? You see, drop, the momentum, it's going to the downside. We have that nice imbalance here that's been fulfilled right there. And also in the 15 minutes. Look at the 15 minutes. See here? So drop, create that imbalance on the M5. Was looking for that break retest scenario. You're going low. Smaller time frame. The bottom here, right? So what we saw, see? See how we hesitate? So this is where I position myself to play that break and retest. Break, retest. Bottom can become top with the stop loss just above, right? And I was waiting for the price, to take a direction and break this low here was nice. And then just like bam, 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 bam. So why I didn't take why I didn't take TP at 1 to 1, it's because like I said in my previous trade house with the members, with the team, I said that it can potentially it can potentially do this, do this, right? So if you look, create that new all-time high, right? ATH, whoop, reject. Create that new ATH, reject. So I was like, okay, good. If it touch the top of that bullish channel, it can potentially do the same thing, right? So we have a top here, grab of liquidity at stock market open, momentum going to the downside. I was looking for that retest. And then I positioned myself and I was like, okay, I have in mind that the top of this channel, right, can have a big momentum like this. So that's why I was looking at the momentum and it's going my way. Bearish, as you can see, candles. Uh, so I took it here, yeah, 3,000 pips here, my first TP because of that top, right? You can see some reaction. We did see some reaction. You see here, pump to the upside. One of the members took the buy here, TP roughly 100 pips, 1,000 pips. So it's kind of nice also because on the other side is like a break retest scenario, right? It hit the TP, so it's good. And then took some position out, and I was looking for that uh, bearish momentum to continue to the downside, right? So we did react at 49, 400, and then boom. My second TP that I took on this trade was at 6,000 pips here. Yeah, exactly. 6,000 pips here. So one at 3,000, second one at 6. So you can, as you can see here, like, so I was like traveling also, right? Because I took the trade before uh, I left, and then, you know, was still on the road, riding dirty, and was just following the trade. I was doing something else, you know, um, just hit TP, man, as I was like, enjoying my time traveling there, just seeing the price going to the downside. So it was pretty nice. And then today, I was expecting some sort of bullish momentum, right? We still have some imbalance here that can be covered, but I was like, okay, good. Buyers might show up, right? So buyers might show up, did show up, but if we stay, the first area was if we stay below 49,000, we good. And the second area is 49,200 here. They might just be a retracement to the downside. It might be. I don't know, right? So it might just be um, a retracement or not. But in I took, yeah, 80, 90% of my profit, so I'm good. I'm just riding my last position. So this or that for US30. And today took a buy. Wow. Took a buy on EU. So yeah, just to make it simple, because we have to go out shortly. So we have this demand zone here, right? We have this demand zone here. I was looking for reaction, some bars showing up at this area. Also, we have USDX. I was looking at 99 flat, but we still have this imbalance on the 1 hour. So I'm just gonna go fast a bit there because we have to go soon. Okay, so like I said, looking for a buy on EU. Wow, that's amazing. We hit this demand zone here. And So I was looking for an entry. You see how the buyers did show up here. We have a divergence here. Choop. Nice divergence. Buyers did show up, covered this 1 minute imbalance here. I was okay, good. I'm gonna position myself here with the stop loss just above here. And we are currently 1 to 3. Wow, amazing. Um, wow, nice push. Nice push. Let's see on the 15 minutes. You see, wow, 15 minutes. Um, might have some reaction here, but the momentum it's on my side, so it's pretty nice. So I took 3 position on that. Might it's crazy. Anyways, I didn't post this setup yet on the free Telegram. I will shortly, but let's push. I'm gonna close 2 position on that. Let it write 1 position. Just want to see here. Last push to the upside. Momentum is pretty good, pretty strong. It's pretty nice. So yeah, 3 position, same area. Wow. Okay, so I put my position BE at 58, 116.58. Push to the upside, almost got me out. BE here, here. Bro, point 1 pips. Come on, man. And whoop, bump to the upside. So I'm just gonna close now. 2 position. Am I? Ooh, let's go. Let's go, bro. So yeah, before I get greedy, I'm just gonna close 2 position here. So one out. So again, out. Just gonna leave 1 position. Respect your plan. Yep. So yeah, I'm gonna try, do my best to ride this trade. So I just took 2 position out here, 1 to 4 roughly. Um, Last position. So respect your plan, right? Wow, this here. And also is so I'm not at home, I just have my laptop. So it is possible, you know, to travel even if you're not at home. You just have a good Wi-Fi, you have your laptop, and it is possible. So on that, I hope you're catching a lot of pips, right? And enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.